Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google guy here, and today I've got a great time saver for you, especially if you're one that works with sheets, you work with Gemini, and you are wanting to create dashboards. So this is going to save you a bunch of time of putting things together manually, and we're going to use Gemini to do it for us. So just a quick heads up, I am in a typical spreadsheet format. If you have already converted yours into a table format, you've got drop-down chips, this should work the exact same. So here's what you're going to do. We're going to start off in our spreadsheet. We're going to go to the upper right-hand corner. We're going to click on the Gemini side panel icon. You'll probably see it referenced in this middle piece here of generate dashboards and things of that nature. There it is right there, create a visual dashboard. So here's what we're going to do. If you just come into the Gemini side panel and you just put in that create me a visual dashboard, it is going to give you a different result than what we are going to build right now. Speaking of the word build, here's what you need to do. So here's the secret. Down at the bottom, you'll see the tools icon. Click on that. We're going to click on build. Then we're going to click on the send. Now, it will take a couple of minutes for it to do its thing, but it is putting together the data. It's going to analyze it. You'll see here in just a minute. I'll probably just speed this up and cut a little bit out here and there just to streamline time. But once it goes through this, you're going to have a really cool looking dashboard, especially if you don't know how to build them or you just really need to save a ton of time. So it's going through its thing. We're going to click on approve. You'll see down in the bottom left of the screen, there is our dashboard tab. So it's a new tab, and it's literally going to go through and build this out for us. And just like that, my dashboard is done. How cool is this? So if we kind of scroll down just a little bit, you'll see open risks and issues by project and all of my other stuff based on the data that I have in this simple spreadsheet. So if you need to create a dashboard, that is how fast you can do it. That is a heck of a lot faster than you building this out step by step. The whole process can take you 2 minutes. So give it a whirl, try it on any of your data that you've got in your spreadsheets, see what it does. Obviously, it's going to be a lot longer of a time period if you have really complex spreadsheets in terms of thousands or hundreds of rows, if not in the millions. So just be aware of that. So if you want to save time, this is the way to do it. Until we meet again, another day, another time, another tip, trick, hack, or cool tool, this is Triple G signing off, signing out.